Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel. Hello everybody, Sifu Keith here. And today I'd like to bring you a really special video that covers 2 of the 8 actions in Wing Chun's kicking techniques. In this video, we will cover the principles and fighting applications of the first 2 actions. But before we do, I need you to hit like and subscribe and click the bell to always so we can keep you up to date with our latest videos. Have a great day. So Wing Chun has 8 different kicking actions. So for level 7, we're going to work on 2 of them. The first action is called Sidekicking. It looks almost identical to set 4, except we're working this just on one side. I mean, you can feel free to alternate sides, but the drill here is a release with a low bone, a pox out, a boost out, and a side kick to the knee. That's one of the aspects you train. Low bone, knee, side kick to the knee. Another way to train this also is a release with a quan sao, a pox out, boost out, and a front kick to the body. So again, a quan sao, a pox out, a boost out, and a front kick to the body. The action here is coming off to the side of the dummy, and this is the first action. And now we'll take 2 applications to it. So let's look at one of the applications using the quan sao. And so remember, your Kung Fu should be dogmatic, so express and train with different footwork. So the technique was demonstrated. Keith's going to throw a round kick. So the first way we can take it from here is just take the release step and cover with a quan sao. Throw the follows with a straight punch. I have a pak sao and a bu sao here, and then I can take the side kick here. Another aspect of taking that, again, with the release step, the quan sao, and simultaneously kicking out the supporting leg. So again, coming through from here, quan sao, side kick, which would blow the bounce, and again, bu sao here, lops out, punch to the body. So let's look at another variation of this, utilizing it for straight punch, and then here we can apply both the bong sao and the quan sao. So we'll start with the quan sao first. Straight punch comes in, and I can move to the outside with the quan, and then attack that lead leg, crash it with the side kick to back, pox out, palm strike. Same thing, if he throws it off the short arm, I can release off of here, and again, side kick the knee, and here use the bong sao to jam this up and follow up. Another application, straight punch comes in. Here you can utilize the full side step, the bong sao, side kick come over, pox out, and palm strike. So one more time with that. Punch comes in, I take the full side step, the bong sao, side kick the knee, pox out, palm strike to the face. So let's look at one more application. So we line up parallel here, and we'll deal with a double straight punch. First straight punch comes in, I'm just going to take a release step with a pox out. Second straight punch comes in, I'm going to step off the line with a pox out punch. Here I'm going to go from a bu to a lob sao, and this whole area is exposed from here. I'm going to catch the front kick into the body. So again, pox out, come through, pox out punch, bu, lop across, front kick. One more, pox out punch, bu to lop, expresses balance, come in with my front kick. So the next action we're doing is called a 3-in-1 motion. So off the dummy, I'm going to do a gum sao as I release, come back through a tan sao, move across bong sao, tan sao, mid-level palm strike, stomp kick to the knee. So on this side, gum sao, gum sao, tan sao, bong sao, move outside, tan sao, palm strike to the body. I'm going to come here and take a stomp kick to the knee. So with this one, I like to train it alternating sides. Gum sao, tan, bong, tan strike, stomp kick. Gum sao, bong, tan, stomp kick. One more time each side, coming back. Gum sao, tan sao, bong sao, move outside. Tan sao, palm strike, stomp kick. Gum sao, tan sao, bong sao, move outside, stomp kick. That's the 3-in-1 motion. So let's look at an application from the 3-in-1. So here, we can use this against a punch or a kick, but Keith's going to shuffle in with a front kick. And here's my gong side, move off to the line. He's going to throw a straight punch, which I'm moving inside my tan. As I go to open him up, he's going to throw a round punch. So here I got to adjust my distance. Bong sao, move outside, tan sao, palm strike to the body, stomp kick to the leg. So again, coming through, gum sao, tan sao, bong sao, palm strike, stomp kick. One more time. Coming through, gum, tan, bong, move outside, strike, stomp kick to the leg. Let's look at another application to this. So here we'll just start utilizing a pak sao from the straight. I'm going to turn him here with my second motion. I'm going to tan and palm strike, and here I'm going to turn this into a lock and stomp kick to lead me. So again, pak sao parallel, come through, release, tan and palm strike, adjust, stomp kick. One more time. Pak sao, come off, tan and palm strike. So even if he pulls that back, it doesn't matter. Still follow through with the stomp kick to the knee. One more time. Pak, tan and palm strike, stomp kick. So let's look at a third application. We'll take this one out of the front stance. Remember, you can train all your applications out of a front stance or a side neutral stance, lead hand and or backhand. Straight punch comes in, I'm going to release off from here, cover with a pak tan. Doesn't matter, nobody's going to leave the punch out there. As he pulls it back, I'm just going to cover here with my wu sao. I'm going to attack the knee. So again, coming through, he pops it in, come through, follows it back, stomp kick, lop and punch, pull it back. Pak tan, pull it back, follow it in, lop and punch. One more time, stepping off the line to cover, you just pull it back. I leave my wu up here, attack the knee, lop and punch. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.